Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm pretty excited about my adventure today. I have put out a questionnaire on Facebook trying to find out what are some of the good waterfalls to get out and hike. Panther Creek was one of the most popular responses, along with a few others, but Panther Creek was the one I went with. So today's adventure is going to be exploring Panther Creek Falls. And one of the things I like to do before I go on a long hike in general, is to prepare a good meal. As you can see, my kitchen remodel is still going on here, but I still like to try and cook as much as I can. Oatmeal is one of the things I go with when I'm going on a long hike, just so I get all that extra energy over a prolonged period of time. It helps me get through without wearing out. It's not the instant kind of oatmeal. It is the old-fashioned. You do gotta cook it a little bit longer. The instant oatmeal is too refined, too much sugar in it, so I try and avoid all that. I do like to make it gourmet style. I will add all kinds of additives to this, just to give me that extra boost of energy, make it a little bit healthier, add a little bit more fiber. And I'll show you that in just a second. Here's all the stuff I like to add, the little extras I put in my oatmeal. I make it gourmet. Adds like a little bit of extra nutrients, some fruits, some proteins, and some flavor. Oh, I forgot one thing. This is also my flavoring. It adds a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of spice, and that makes it much more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy my adventure through Panther Creek Falls. Won't you come with me? Everybody, welcome. We finally made it out to Panther Falls. This place is spectacular. The hike is a little long. A little bit too much trash on the trail for me. We really got to talk about leave no trace. But this is spectacular. It's a great adventure to be on. Zoe's had a blast swimming in the water. You're going to see a lot of Austin on this one too. So hope you guys are out there exploring, and hope you can come with me. The bad part about holding the camera is you're often never in a lot of the cool shots. Up. We gotta get back across. Up, up. You can do it. You can do it. It's okay. Go ahead. Go, go. Nope. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You're okay. Come on. You're not going. Oh, that's cool. That would be cool for like an overhang where you fall into the water. Right on the river. And Zoe's having a blast. Hi, you puppies. Zoe, what you got? Zoe, hey, say hi to YouTube. Austin's about to fall and die. Wow. Clint's trying to figure out how he can get to him. That is the Rottweiler dog right there. Too many spiders? Nah. Just trying to figure it out. You gotta have to go up there and get him. Because Lynn's out already. You guys ready to go? Yeah. Let's go.